Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to add a custom restart your computer, a right-click context menu to Windows. So we just did a video on how to create a custom one for doing shutdowns. So now we're going to do one for restarting your computer. So technically you can do them both and have a restart and a shutdown if you want to do that. Alright, so in order to do this we're going to do another registry edit here by importing a registry file. So we have one to add the menu and one to remove it. So here's what they do. So here's what the add menu item will do. Pretty much makes a key right there called restart with some subkeys and then some other values after it. And then the remove will remove the entire key and everything underneath it. Okay, so let's import it by double clicking on the add restart menu registry file. And click on run. Say yes to the UAC prompt and then say yes to importing it into the registry. And then OK. So now when we right click, and of course once again for Windows 11 you have to go to show more options or hold down shift, or you can use one of the other hacks to make it so where you go right to the secondary menu and you don't have to go to the show more options menu. So if we hold down shift, right click, now we have restart. Alright, so we have four options here: force apps to close, and full shutdown and restart PC with no timeout or warning. Then we have full shutdown and restart PC with warning, full shutdown and restart PC after rebooted, restart any open registered apps, and then restart to advanced startup options. So this is a nice one for troubleshooting. Okay, so right now we have Chrome and Notepad open, so we'll go and we'll try this one to see if it opens the apps after a reboot here. So we tried this on the shutdown one and it did work. It just took a minute or so before the apps opened. So we'll see how long this one takes. All right, so here we go. All right, so let's log in here. Okay, so I'm not going to do anything here. And we'll just wait for the apps to start up, and I'll actually kind of time it here, so we'll see how long it takes. Should only be like a minute or two like it was for the shutdown version. So like I said in the other video, this is probably something where you would want to do it and then go get your coffee and then you would come back and your apps would be started, rather than having to sit here and wait a couple minutes for them to actually load up. Or you could go ahead and do other things while you're waiting for your apps to start. All right, here comes Chrome, and then here comes Notepad. So it took about a minute, minute and a half for them to start, so not too bad. Okay, let's check out some of the other options here. All right, so obviously if we did this one, it would force everything to close and do a restart. So if we do this one here, it'll pop up a message on the screen telling you your computer is about to be restarted, and then it'll give you about a minute before it actually restarts. So let's try this one here and see if it restarts to the advanced startup options. Okay, looks like it might be working here. Okay, so we have our advanced options here, so we could do some troubleshooting if we like. So that's a nice feature, being able to do it right from right-clicking on your desktop. All right, so we'll go back into Windows. Okay, log in again. Okay, so now let's say we want to remove the right-click option. All we need to do is do the same process, but with the remove restart menu registry file. Click on run, yes, yes, and OK. Now when we right click, we don't have the restart option anymore. Alright, so I will put a link in the description where you could download these two registry files and then you could try it out for yourself. Alright, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.